Keith, we haven't seen the humidity since, boy, before last weekend.
Ages ago.
Or was it earlier this week? Did we have some sticky days?
You're right. No, it wasn't sticky. I'm trying to think when it broke a little bit. I feel like Sunday was warm and normal.
It's been enjoyable for all of us.
It's been, yeah. How dare you make me
the experts? So I don't know when it was humid, honestly.
How dare you make me remember the weather? Yeah, no, I feel like Sunday was a little sticky, and then it's been good since then. And actually, it won't be till next Sunday that we'll bring that back around. So we've had really nice days. If you don't mind it being a little bit coolish in the morning, which we'll do tomorrow morning as well. Visible satellite has some clouds over southern Maine, but the rest of the state nice and clear this afternoon. We didn't see as much wildfire smoke either. I just wanted, let me do that again and not stand right in front of it. I just wanted to show you how not far away this tropical storm is. This is Dexter here. That's Halifax right there. This is obviously no threat to us or really the continental United States, but it's drifting off to the east. But it's just a reminder that we're going into kind of the lead up to the peak of tropical season statistically. And so these are all areas the National Hurricane Center is watching. One is a wave off the west coast of Africa, but the other one is down here out towards the Outer Banks, or even more down towards Savannah, Georgia area. That one could sail to our east late in the weekend too. So we'll have things kind of going by us over the next week or two, just worth noting. So tonight, temperatures are down into the 50s, some 40s across northern Maine, north of Millinocket especially. Greenville maybe as well. Start with some clouds tomorrow morning over southern Maine. We end up with partly cloudy skies, though, upper 70s to around 80 for most of us. Notice some pop-up showers in the mountains. That's been the case, the mountains of New Hampshire, I should say. That's been the case over the last few days, and the activity should stay there tomorrow. And then on Friday, we're just a little bit warmer. More of us are in the low 80s, and maybe an isolated shower or storm in the mountains of Maine this time around. But I think the vast majority of us stay dry probably until next Wednesday. So we'll be a full week out before we have a chance, statewide at least, of some showers and thunderstorms. We round those temperatures back to about 80 to 85 on Saturday, and then we start warming up on Sunday, and this is what we're thinking for Sunday at this point. Down East Maine is cooler. The rest of the state, though, pretty hot. Upper 80s, some low 90s, a place like Fryeburg out towards North Conway and Parsonsfield and Porter, and all those areas could be, 92, 93 degrees. And I think that's the tip of this iceberg, because it looks pretty warm to me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. As long as we can keep that front up there, which we should, up into Canada, then we're going to keep building this warmth in. And it could be in excess of, 90 is the baseline. I could see us in the mid-90s for a day or two. And that best chance will be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I noticed Ryan, that's a good idea. He added the humidity flags here because it will start to be sticky probably on Sunday, but you really notice it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I put pop-up showers on Tuesday. That's just because it's hot and humid. But again, more widespread activity, not until next Wednesday. Even that is not a lock. So a good long stretch of dry weather. And if you like the heat, we're going to get into that next week. If you like the humidity, which is not super popular here, but you know what?
It gives you a good excuse to go into 66-degree ocean temperature.
It does. It's funny you say that, because I was at Higgins on Sunday, and I
yeah,
I know. Just get past your ankles and you're good. That's the thing. And I was actually swimming. Well, that's the part that hurts. When you go in, it's the shin to the ankle. Maybe I need more on the ankle.
Right.
I don't know. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Keith.